Welcome back. Now we can share our content to multiple applications. So in this case, we can set our share link first to screencast, and then we can come back to our drop-down menu, and we're going to add in another destination. We're then going to add in MS Paint. We can then come back to our drop-down menu, and we can add in another destination. We're then going to add in, this time, one of our cloud-based applications, Google Drive. What we're then going to need to do is we're going to need to make an adjustment to the options. So we're going to click on this gear, and then we're going to sign into the appropriate Google Drive account using our Snagit account. We're going to choose our Google Drive options, and then we're going to click OK. Now, when we create our share, we're going to have our content going to 3 places. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click the capture button. We're then going to go ahead and capture a portion of the screen. We're then going to make our capture complete. We're first being asked to save our file. And then we'll see that our document is inside of MS Paint. Now we'll also have a dialog box since we actually sent this to our screencast account. So we're going to give this particular link and document a name. And then we're going to click OK. It's going to be shared to screencast. We're then going to want to click this view link. Now, if in some cases you miss the opportunity to get access to the link, that link is then going to be inside of your clipboard. So for example, if we were to open up a new document and then we were to paste what was on our clipboard, we'll then see our screencast link. We have a third option that we uploaded to Google Drive. So we're going to give this file name a name. And we're then going to click Upload. The file is then sent to Google Drive. To get the link to the location of the file, what we can do then is we can then paste the link to a notepad file where we can find it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now also within the Image tab, there is also a Share drop-down menu box. And you're going to see all of the ways in which you can share and output your file. And you're going to see, first, desktop-related formats. You're also going to see program-related formats also in your desktop. And then you're also going to see cloud-based services. Within there, you also have, if you own Camtasia and TechSmith Relay, you can output your content into those two TechSmith related programs. Now in this video, we're going to cover the form or file related objects. So for example, we can output or share our content in the form of a file. So what we'll do here is we're then going to capture the image. And what we're going to do is we're going to change it to a specific region. Now before we capture the region, we're going to specify a specific file. We're going to click our gear, and then we're going to determine the file type. Now this file is turned into a PDF. What we're then going to do is we're going to make sure that this is going to be an automatic file name. We're going to create our file naming settings. Once we do that, we're going to click OK. And basically, we've now set parameters for this to be shared into a file. We're then going to click Capture. We're now going to capture a specific area. And we're then going to allow our content to be created. And what you'll notice is that you have the editor where you can then save the content into the form that you want. However, what we want to do is we want to have the file created automatically. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize our Snagit editor. And we're going to turn off Preview in Editor. Now what we want to do is we then want to capture the same information, and we want it to be shared into a specific file. We're now going to choose the folder where we want our content to be shared. Now once we've done that, we're then going to click Capture. We're then going to capture our image again. And this time, our file will then be created automatically, and what you'll notice is that we have turned off the editor preview. Now what we should be able to do is to go to our folder and find the file that we just created. And you'll see our file here that we created. If we double click it, you'll see the PDF file that we created. Now what we can also do is we can also save our content into email, into our document to be printed, and into our FTP format. Now, next video, we're going to look at moving our file into applications resident on our personal computer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, there are three primary ways that you can operate Snagit, and you're going to see the Snagit menu, which you can move around your personal computer or your screen wherever you want it to be. There's also your Snagit editor, and this is where you'll be working with your screenshots once you create them. If you want to open the editor, you can use your menu and open up the editor by clicking this link. That's going to bring you into the Snagit editor. Now this is grayed out in this case, but you're going to be logged into the Snagit editor, giving you access to the TechSmith server. What we're now going to do is we're going to minimize the Snagit editor. You'll then see your screen again, and the other thing that you'll have available to you will be the one-click screen. And you're going to see here that what we're going to do is move our cursor toward the one-click screen. That's going to bring down the area that you can use in order to start your screen share captures. In order to exit Snagit altogether, all you'll need to do is to go to this area, and there you'll be able to edit Snagit. What you can also do is go to the view screen. You're going to see there that it says hide one click. That's going to get rid of your one-click window that we had right here at the top. If you want to bring that one-click window back, you're going to go to the view screen. You're going to click show one click. That's going to be here at the top, and you'll be able to have it available to you. Now if you're using multiple screens, you can take that one-click menu and you can move it other places, not only on your first screen, but you can move it off your screen altogether into an area of your personal computer. And what we're going to do here is we're going to bring the one-click menu back. What you're going to notice when we put it down near the end or near the middle, it goes over off your screen so that it's out of your way. In order to get it back, all you'll do is hover over it. That'll bring the menu where you want it to be. And those are going to be the basics of operating Snagit on your interface. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the website Screencast.com. Screencast.com is a TechSmith related website. And you will want to use a free account that you get with your TechSmith account, because you will then be able to share your Snagit content using Screencast.com by creating links with a limited free hosting account. Now what you'll notice is that if you have a free Screencast account, content that you've not used in over a year will be deleted from the website. So this is not going to be a permanent hosting site. Now you can upgrade to pay for a Screencast Pro account. As of the recording of this video, a Screencast Pro account is going to be $9.95 a month, and it will give you access to 30 gigabytes of storage as well as 240 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth. However, as stated, you can sign in and create a free account to integrate with your Snagit account. And you can do that with the same email address that you use to sign up for Snagit to create your TechSmith account. And with your free Screencast.com account, you can check into your TechSmith account, you can go to My Products, and you can look at your subscriptions. You should see your subscription to Screencast.com even if you have a free account, and then TechSmith will tell you how much space you are using and how much you have left. It will also tell you how much bandwidth you're using as well as how much storage you are using. Once you have your account, you are then ready to begin using it with the integration portal in Snagit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to look at sharing our file into desktop applications like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Microsoft OneNote. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set Microsoft PowerPoint as the application to use. And of course, this is going to be similar to Word or any of the other Microsoft applications. Now again, for this video, we have turned off the preview and editor. So we're going to capture a specific region, and we're going to capture that region using this capture button. We're going to take a screenshot of a specific portion of the page. And then we're going to have our capture sent to PowerPoint in this case. You may get a dialog box here that says you're going to need to activate the busy program. You're going to click Switch to. And when we open up PowerPoint, you will see our image in our document. Now again, this is going to work the same way with the other forms such as OneNote and Word. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.